நாம பார்த்துட்டு
Back.
பேக் ஃப்ரண்ட் இப்படி கை வச்சுக்கோ இங்க பாரு.
Touch your shoulder.
ம். ஆ, இது அது ஜம்ப் அப்புறம் தான் இப்போ இப்படி கொடு.
Touch your toes. Touch your toes.
Touch
Touch
your
your toes. Roll your hand.
roll your hand.
Jump.
Jump. Jump. ம். ம்.
Clap.
Okay. Clap.
Clap. Jump.
Jump.
Right side.
Sorry.
Do your right side. Left side. Kick yourself. Kick yourself. Round.
Round.
Kick yourself. Kick your legs. Yes. Jump.
Jump. எப்படி குதி மிஸ் எப்படி கை வைக்கிறேன் கை இப்படி ரவுண்ட்
Hey. Very nice. Lovely. Drink your water. I also drink today water. Drink. See, I am also following you. Drink.
போதுமா
Okay. Yesterday what I taught you? Tell me. What I taught you yesterday? About the accessories. Am I right? Letter D. With the sound. Am I right?
No.
Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no? What? Yes or no?
Yes. No.
Yes. Okay. So today also we do a recap about A to D. Okay. Letter A to D and number 1, 2, 3. Okay. How many finger I have in my hand?
10.
How many finger I have in my hand? Tell me. 10 finger. I have 10 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 finger. Okay. What is the fourth letter of alphabet?
D.
D is the fourth letter of alphabet. Yes. What is the sound of D?
Sound என்னது
Da. What is the sound of D?
Sound of
Da.
Dog.
எப்படி சொல்றது
D for dog. Da dog. Da dog. Okay? Yeah, D for dolphin also. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Like that, today I will tell you. Yesterday I told you about the accessories. What are the accessories for the girl? What are the accessories for boy? What are the accessories for boy, kids, boys? Can anyone tell me what are the accessories of boy?
Watch.
watch, and cap,
Cap.
tie.
Two.
Yeah, tie also is an accessory for boy. Am I right? Yes, tie is also accessories about for the boy. And what are the accessories for the girl?
சொல்லு சொல்லு
Yes.
இயரிங் சொல்லு இயரிங்
Okay. Ritika, you can tell me what are the accessories for the girl? Yes. Okay, very good. Lovely, lovely. Okay. And others? Ishwan?
It's meant.
What about you? Tell me. When we have to wear a party wear dress. When we have to wear a party wear dress or traditional dress. Anyone know? When we go some festival, if some festival are there, then we go some outside for party, then we have to wear a party wear dress. Then we have to wear a common dress.
Common dress when we are at home.
Common dress like daily wear dress. This is your daily wear dress. At your home, when you come inside, after coming from outside, you have to wear your common dress as usual dress like that. Am I right?
வீட்ல இருக்கும்போது common dress போடுவேன்.
Then you are going to wear some school dress while going to school. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes.
There are so many type of dress according to the occasion. We are wear a dress according to the occasion or time. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I show to you something. Okay. According to the, as I told you about the dress.
நீ ஹோம்வொர்க் விட நேத்து நீ எழுதுறது கேட்க போறாங்க எனக்கு.
What is this, kid?
அங்க காமிக்கிறாங்க ஏதோ. இது என்னது?
This is a sport wear.
Sport.
What is this? This is sport wear. In school we have a sport day. Yes or no? We have a sport day in our school. On that time we have to wear a sport wear. Or else you saw a cricketer, when a cricketer in the ground, they are wear a sports wear. All cricketers have a different type of wear. Like one day I told you about the Indian t-shirt. That is a cricketer. This is also a sports wear. Sometimes the cricketers can wear this wear also. If you have a sport day in our school, then you can wear this t-shirt, a sports wear. When we have to wear this wear dress, when we have a sport day, then we have to wear this sport dress. When we have to wear this dress, kid, or sports day. What is this, kid? This is a party wear dress. What is this? Party wear dress. What is this? Party wear dress. When we go outside for occasionally like wedding, party, or somewhere else we can go outside, then we can wear a party wear dress according to the occasion. According to the occasion, we can wear a traditional wear. What wear you can like on that occasion, you can wear that dress. that we call a party wear dress or traditional dress. We can say like that also. This is what dress is this? This is a party wear dress. What is this? Party wear dress. What dress is this, kid? Swimming costume. What dress is this? Swimming costume. When we have to wear a swimming costume.
Wow.
Tell me, when we have to wear a swimming costume?
When we swim. When we swim, sir.
Wow.
Tell me, when we go for the swimming, then we can wear a swimming dress. This dress is for girls, and this costume is for boy. This swimming costume is for girl. This costume is for boy. When we go for the swimming, we can wear this swimming dress. Okay, what is this dress? What dress is this? Yeah, this is a night dress. Night dress also, this is for girl. This is for girl and this is for boy. When we are going to sleep, we can wear a night dress. We can wear a normal dress and we go to sleep.
No.
In this dress, you can go to sleep. What dress you are wearing this time? In that dress, you can go to sleep.
No.
No. You can change a dress or you can change a night dress while going to sleep. Am I right? What dress is this? Everyone have this dress. Am I right?
Good.
What uniform is this? School uniform. This is a school uniform. When we have to wear this school uniform for online class, or when we go when you go to school, then you can go wear this uniform. You can wear this uniform at your home as usually like that. You can wear this dress.
No.
When you have to wear this dress, when you go to school, then you can wear this dress. Okay. When you wear this party wear dress, yeah, when you go for the party, then you can wear a traditional dress or party wear dress. When we have to wear a swimming costume, when we go for the swimming, then we can wear a swimming dress. When we wear a sport dress,
Sports dress. Papa
What
would
sports
dress, but
dress?
this swimming dress.
okay.
This swimming pola.
அது மேல போட்டுட்டு அது போட்டுட்டு
Glory dress put it.
What happened, Jasna? What happened, Jasna? Tell me. Any doubt about the dresses? Yes or no? Tell me. Any doubt?
Ma'am, no ma'am.
No or yes? Tell me. So everyone remember the sound of rhymes A, B, and C and D. Everyone remember that rhymes? And some arms, and some arms they causing me alarm. Everyone remember or not? Tell me yes or no. Bring your bat. Bring your ball. Up, 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 up. Everyone remember or not? Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no.
No, ma'am.
No, na? Okay. Shall we do again? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What is the sound of A?
What is the sound?
Ah. What is the sound of B?
D.
What is the sound of C?
Ball.
The sound is
What is the sound of D?
Dog.
Yeah. Okay. Firstly, I play a sound. Okay.
Fish.
Ah, ah. Answer my arms. Ah, ah. Answer my arms. Ah, ah. Answer my arms. They causing me alarm. What is that, kids? Ah, ah. Answer my arms. Ah, ah. Answer my arms. Ah, ah. Answer my arms. They causing me alarm. What is the sound of this? What letter is that? Tell me. What is that? Ah, ah. What letter is that? What letter is that? Ah. Yes. Now we go for the B. Okay. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba, ba. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. What is the sound of B? Ba, ba. What letter is that?
Ball.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba, ba, ba. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Okay? Now what letters come? Guess what letters come? What? C, correct. We are clicking castle nest. We are clicking castle nest. We are clicking castle nest. Clicking castle nest. Clicking castle nest. What sound is that? Ka, ka. What sound is that? What sound is that? Shall I play once again?
பாட்டை போட்டுட்டு அது என்ன
We are clicking castle nest. We are clicking castle nest.
we are clicking castle
We are clicking castle nest.
என்ன sound?
Clicking castle nest. We are clicking castle nest. And what letters come next?
D.
What letters come next?
D. சொல்லு சத்தமா சொல்லு இவ்வளவு மெதுவா சொல்ல எப்படி பேச ஆச்சி எப்படி கூப்பிடுவ ஆச்சி அந்த மாதிரி பேச
My drum. Da 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 da. See. What is the sound of D? Da da da. Play on my drum. What is the sound of drum? When you play the drum, what sound is some? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. What sound is coming on drum? Da 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 da. See me playing on me play on my drum. See me rock my drum. On my drum. Everyone remember that sound? What is the sound of A?
என்ன சவுண்ட்? ஏக்கு என்ன சவுண்ட்?
What sound of this?
ஏங்கடா?
Okay. Ba.
ப ப
Ba. Ba.
பி ப ப பி
Kha. Kha. What sound is that?
ஏற்கனவே ஹோம்வொர்க் செய்யல, நேரம் இல்லை.
Da. Da. What sound is that? The sound. Yes, very good. Now everyone take your notebook. Open your notebook and write letter A to D. Open your notebook. Write letter A. Two slanting line. One sleeping line. One standing line. Two curved line. One curved line. Or letter D, one standing line. One sleeping, one curved line. Write letter A. Write letter A. You can write on slate also, not to worry. Yeah, parents, please don't give a help to the kids. Kids alone, let them, kids has to write. Yeah. Very good. Nishwant, P. Nishwant, how to hold a pencil? See. P. Nishwant, you can hold a pencil like this. See. See, this this three finger.
Yes, ma'am. I'm teaching him. So he wants me to hold his hand. Maybe for now I'll hold his hand and teach him. Later
Okay,
he will do by himself.
Okay. Everyone completed letter A? Show me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I am Sai Lakshmi's grandma. Yesterday only we taught straight line, slanting line, everything. So
Okay.
give us 2 days. Monday we'll make her to write all the letters. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Letter B, Sai will be write two slanting line. Like this.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Two slanting lines he has to draw. Yeah. Okay. Now, very good, Nishwan. Now next letter you write letter B. Yeah, Satvik, good. Next letter.
Ma'am, he write the A, B, C, D in the same.
I could not able to see. Oh, okay. Finished. Yeah. Very good. Very good, Satvik. Very good, Satvik. Yes. Show me Nishwant. Yeah, very good. Wow, 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 Sai Lakshmi. Pritika, what about you? I could not able to see you, Kanna. Yeah, very good, Kaushik. A, B, and C. First you write letter B and then A and C. Okay, no issue. Pritika, where are you? Who complete A, B, C, and D? Write down 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Pritika, show me.
Pritika, come.
Did you finish, Kanna? Yeah, show me, Pritika. Yeah. Very good. Now you have to write 1, 2, 3.
A, B, C.
Man solution. Man.
1,
Transit.
2, little bit curve. Again slanting line. Sleeping line for 2.
Sip.
2 curve line. Letter 3. Number 3.
तभी सुन man committed. Man solution.
Ma'am.
Show me. Yes.
Yes.
Show me. Wow. Okay. Now you have to write 1, 2, 3. Okay.
1 to 3 done.
Very good. Very good.
Come chill.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Satvik, little bit dark. You use crayons, okay? Don't use pencil. I am not able to see clearly, okay? You take a dark color crayons, it will see properly. It was nice, but you have to show me very proper way, na? So you can use the crayons, okay?
ನೀವು slate ல எழுதுடா.
You can use the
To
crayons.
hold that crayon. No.
Okay. You can write in bold way, okay? Very bold way. It will be easy to show me, okay? Okay, Kanna. Very good, Kaushik. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, everyone completed? 1, 2, 3. If you complete, show me a thumb. Show me a thumb. Yes, very good, Pinishwan. Wonderful, wonderful. If you completed, show me your thumb. Okay, very nice. Shall we move for another one? Yes or no? Yeah. Sai, show me properly. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now I am introduced you some object. Okay. Big and small. Shall we do a roly poly? Do a roly poly. Everyone do a roly poly roly. Very good, Nishwan. Do a roly poly. Roly poly roly. Big, big, big. Roly poly roly. Small, small, small. Roly poly roly. Up, up, up. Roly poly roly. Down, down, down. Roly poly roly. Open, open, open. Roly poly roly. Close, close, close. Roly poly roly. Narrow, narrow, narrow. Roly poly roly. Broad, broad, broad. Okay, roly. Today I introduce you one more thing. What is that? Did you know, kids?
Okay.
Roly poly roly. Far, far, far.
Roly, roly,
Roly roly. Near, near, near. Far. That wall is far for me. That wall is like your backside, your sofa. And for Nishwan, sofa is far for Nishwan. Am I right? For Sai Lakshmi is near to the sofa. Am I right? What is near? Now that book is far for me. That book is far for me. Now this book is near to me. Am I right? That book is far for me and this bottle is near for me. Am I right? Like your desk. Desk is near to you and that bed is far for you. Am I right? What is far for you? What is far for you?
मैं लोली बोली सोना मगीना
For your sofa is far for you. Yeah. Very good, Satvik. That wall is far for you. Okay. I introduce you about the big and small. What is big and what is small? Okay.
Okay.
What is this, kid?
This is
Apple.
Apple. What apple is big?
Which
Let's
is big?
go apple.
Right side or left side? Either right, either left. Which is
This
big?
one is big or this one is big?
Small.
Either big,
This one is big. Am I right?
Either big. What is this? Small. Good.
This is a big apple. What is this?
Apple.
Big apple. This is small apple.
Apple.
Yes. What apple? Okay. What is this, kid?
Bigger.
This is a big watermelon.
Which is
Watermelon.
small.
உனக்கு தெரியுதுல்ல
Yeah, this small apple. What is a big object?
எது big அது
Big is a watermelon. Small. Yes.
B ரெண்டு போட்டாதான்
What is a big in this picture? Watermelon is big or apple is a big?
எழுதணும் 1 2 3 கொஞ்சம் தெரியுது
Strawberry.
Watermelon is big.
ஏரி எழுதுன பிறகுதான்
What is the small object?
எது ஸ்மால் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்
Which is small.
Apple is a small one. Okay. Like that, I will ask you, what ball is this ball is a big ball or small ball?
பிக் பவுல் சொல்லு பெருசா இருக்கா இதா இருக்கா பிக் பவுல்
And what ball?
Big
This
ball.
one is a small or big one?
Ball.
Small one.
Big
What is
ball.
this? This is big and this is small.
இது small, இது big.
This is big. My right hand side, big one. Left hand side, small one. What spoon is this spoon is big or small?
சொல்லு big means
Big. And what about this spoon?
small.
Small. Who is a big one? This one is a big. And this one is small. Okay, what tomato is big?
Ball.
அங்க பாரு.
Tomato.
அது எது big? சொல்லு big tomato.
What tomato is big one? Right side. Very good, very good. Right side tomato is a big one. This one is a big one? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. And this one? This is small one.
Small.
Okay. Yeah. What plate is a big one and what is a small one?
எது big one?
This one is a big. This one is a small.
Solid.
Very good. Okay. Now you have to show me one big object and small object.
Okay.
What is a big object and small object?
இந்த rubber, இந்த pencil. இல்ல big small. அது tall இல்ல.
Any object.
This one big object. அது small இது. அது big cutter. Yes, this one is big.
Which is big? Which is big? Show the big pencil. Small pencil.
This one is big.
Wow, very good. Lovely, lovely. This one is a big one. And this one is a small one. What is big one?
What is big one? Big one is
Book was a big? Yes, big ball. And notebook is a small. Very good. Lovely. Small ball, big ball. Yeah. Very good. Very good, Kate. Okay. I have a toy. Okay. Okay. You have to do an activity like that. You can arrange in one plate like this. Take a big plate, then you arrange a small plate like this. Okay. Then again you have to arrange like a big spoon and small spoon in that plate itself. Okay. Then you take one ball, big ball and small ball. Okay. Do this activity at home, big and small activity. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, Sally.
Okay.
Okay. Now, story time.
Oh, story time. Okay.
Story name is one boy's that name is Bruno and his father. Did you see this picture? Are you able to see the picture? I told you about the near and far. Far and near. What is far and what is near? Yes or no, kids? Tell me. Just now I taught you now.
சொல்லு father is near யார் கிட்ட நிக்கிறான் அவன் கிட்ட father is near சொல்லு
One day Bruno and his father are walking alone on the road. They are going to visit Bruno auntie Daisy house. Where he is going? Auntie Daisy house. That house is very far from her house.
Okay.
And that
house
house
car
is
இருக்கு.
other
Near
side
the
of
glass
river.
இருக்கு,
Did you
okay-வா?
see in this picture?
நீ கேளு.
Yeah, that house is another side of river.
நீ கவுனி
Auntie
அதுக்கப்புறம்
live in the
ஸ்டோரி டைம் தானே ஏறி
little blue house on the other side of
கவுனி ஸ்டோரி கவுனி உனக்கு தான் ஸ்டோரி பிடிக்கல உனக்காக ஸ்டோரிடா
river. Yes, sir. Any doubts, sir? Okay. Okay. Where I am, his auntie live in the little blue color house on the other side of river. Did you see how far from here? That is very far from her Bruno. How far is Auntie Daisy house? Bruno asked to Daddy. Asked Bruno. Then father says, Auntie Daisy house is very far away. But look the bridge. Look at the bridge. This is very near. Then Bruno asked his father, yes, father, that bridge is very near for us. Then father pointed to the sky. Look at Bruno, the sky is very far from us now. Did you see the sky in this picture? Yes. Then father pointed to the sky and said to the Bruno, look Bruno, the sky is very far from us. The Bruno, look the Bruno, pigeon are very far from forest.
Where is
The pigeon
the
is very far. Yes?
she's asking where is the mask ma'am
I show you. Yes. Did you see? They are birds. Look at the birds. Are you able to see the birds? Yes or no? The pigeon are very far away from us. Let's wave, but we can't touch it because the pigeon are very far from us in the sky. Bruno and father they are talking each other. Then they reached inside in the bridge. They are climbed the bridge. Okay, how far is auntie house? Bruno asked to his daddy. After he crossed the bridge, that his house is very far from is very far away from us. Then Bruno asked his daddy, how much far is Daisy house, daddy? Daddy said, daddy, they is very far away, but look at the field. Did you look at the fields? Did you see the field? It's very near, the father said. Now it's very near, Bruno. Then father said, shall we walk together in the field itself, Bruno? Then Bruno said, yes, father. Then Bruno want the cows. Did you see the cows in the field? Kids, did you see the cows? The Bruno said, we want to go near the cows, Papa. Near the cows, Daddy. Then Daddy said, okay, shall we go? We can go near to the cows. Don't want to disturb Daddy said to Bruno, don't disturb the cows. Her father said to the Bruno. So, now we can reach the auntie house, Papa, Daddy. Then Bruno asked to his daddy. Then daddy told Bruno, we can point it in blue sky. Again he pointed the blue sky. Then Bruno see the sky. Yes, Daddy, the sky is also now very far from us. Then he saw some near pond is there. Did you see the pond? Did you see the pond? There were a pond. See the blue, see the pond. Pond was there. Did you able to see the kids? Yes or no? Then he reached a Daisy auntie house. Then he hugged the auntie very tightly. How are you, auntie? Auntie said, I am very fine. How are you, Bruno? Then Bruno said, I am also fine, auntie. Then Bruno asked auntie, can I go to your garden and I want to play in your garden? Then auntie said, yes, you can go outside the garden and you can play. Then Bruno come out to the garden. He was collecting the flowers. Did you see the he was collecting a flower? Did you see? When he collect the all flower in her basket, he went inside the house and he gave flower of the basket to his auntie and says, this is for you, auntie. You can use this in your house. Then auntie said, thank you, Bruno. It was very lovely flower. Did you enjoy here? Then Bruno said, yes, auntie, I enjoyed too much here. So after few times, Bruno came out. Then he want to go his house. Then Bruno and his father are looking outside from outside, looking outside to the house. That again he saw. He asked the father, Father, again her auntie house is very far from us. Yes, now because we came out, that's why I show to you how much far for us, how much is near to us. We can stand here, but it is looking so much far for us. That breeze, now see the breeze is very far from us. When we walk together, we can go for the few steps. That breeze is near to us. Did you see the story about the far and near? Did you see the story about the far and near? Auntie house is far for Bruno house or near? Far. Okay. When he crossed the bridge, afterwards also it's very far or near?
Near.
It's near, but it's look like very far for us. See, like that, the ball is very near to us, but you are looking to me that the ball is very far for me. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes. See, in front of you, you see what is the far and what is the near. When you see from your eyes, like sky is very far from us. That is correct. That sky is very far from us. When you see the bird, that also we look very far. But sometimes, what you have to see? It was very near to us. Why? Because the bird was flying. Sometimes they come down. That's why it's look like very near. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Did you like this story or not? Tell me far and near, about the far and near. No. Kaushik, where are you? Tell me. Kaushik, what about others? Kids, tell me. Yes, okay. So everyone knows about the concept of far and near. What is far and what is near? Yes. Okay. What you have to do activity? You have to do activity about the big and small activity at home. Okay. To learn this concept. Okay. Say yes or no. Make a practice.
Homework.
B and C and D. A, B, C and D. Okay. Make a practice of this letter. Okay.
Kutkundu.
Don't take any help of your parents. Okay.
Kutkundu. Back.
Okay. Now it's time to say
Bye, Chippu. Bye, Chippu.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
bye, kids. See you on Monday.
Bye, ma'am.
See you on Monday.
Bye, ma'am.